The area called Ackendown got the name from the famous Ackendown Castle, which is located across from the entrance of Whitehouse Sandals Resort. You turn onto a road between two posts, head up a hill, and there is Ackendown Great House. The house has long been abandoned. The masonry style is unusual for Jamaica. In fact, the windows are reminiscent of many medieval castles. The castle may have been built for defense against a possible invasion by the French or the Spanish. According to a plaque on the inner wall, the castle was built by Archibald Campbell from 1781 to 1833 of the family of Auchindown in Argyll in Scotland. An inscription in lead and a stone on one of the inner walls of the link joining the two towers reads as follows: "Here lie the remains of Archibald Campbell of the family of Auchindown in Argyll in Scotland, third son of the Honourable John Campbell of New Hope. In this parish died 21st April 1833, aged 52 years. This castle, which is now his monument, was built by him. Rest in peace." The castle consists of the stone remains of an eastern and western tower connected by what is said to have been an underground passage. The style in which the masonry has been constructed is unusual in Jamaica, rather more medieval in character, making the castle quite unique in this respect. The Ackendown Castle remains were declared a national monument by the Jamaica National Heritage Trust on December 21st, 2006. So you may not have noticed, but we are in the Whitehouse town vicinity. Yes, and we are traveling along this beautiful road overlooking the sea, and we are in Whitehouse. Very famous place for a lot of things, including fishing. Whitehouse community is a wonderful sight for sore eyes. And if you're hungry, you can't pass here. You cannot. You must stop. You must indulge. Whitehouse is a town in Westmoreland, known traditionally for its fishing industry, which provides fresh seafood to businesses across Jamaica. Many business owners and retailers across Jamaica converge on the Whitehouse beaches to get their fresh seafood supply on a weekly basis. Visitors to Whitehouse can enjoy the village tour, including the local supermarkets, as well as to explore the smaller communities within a 5-mile radius of the area. Many visitors to Whitehouse seem to enjoy the experience of the tours and excursions east of the town, starting with the piping hot fried fish and bami at the famous border, also called Scott's Cove. And we are on the outskirts heading out of Whitehouse when suddenly we are stopped by members of the Jamaica Defense Force conducting a spot check, and here is professionalism on display. Oh yes, Soji. Yes sir, here's my ID. Okay. Thank you so much, Soji. You too. Have a great day. And we appreciate the work that you're doing. Okay, sir. This is professionalism at its highest standard. In a short while, just a few questions and a show of ID, we're on our way. Thanks for staying with us. And do enjoy. Yes, Soji. All right.